every morning to feed the whole city. Every sack is
Precision is the secret behind every loaf. Every ingredient is measured to the gram.
Precision is the heart of our baking. Every loaf has to be absolutely perfect.
The texture has to be perfect.
Precision is the heart of our process. Every loaf is perfectly divided, guiding the future of baking.
Crafting the perfect loaf requires precision. Every batch is carefully monitored. Here, the dough rests in a controlled, warm environment.
Every loaf is shaped to absolute perfection. This machine ensures complete consistency, quality you can clearly see. Every loaf is made with care. Every slice is perfectly even.
Every loaf is made with pride. We ensure perfect quality, ready for families across the region.